Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is Welcome on YouTube. This is your boy Chef Fitzy back in the building again today with another recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own Jamaican curry pork. Alright? So stay tuned while I show you how to make curry pork.
Hey, done well.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is Alright, welcome back. So our pork has been cut up, washed with vinegar and ready to season, as you can see. Alright, so first we're going to add some all-purpose seasoning. Alright, about a spoon of all-purpose seasoning. Alright, we're going to add some of our natural spice, natural seasoning. Alright, good. We're then going to add some paprika. Alright, not a lot, just to get a little spice. Alright, then we're going to add some crushed pimento seed. Alright, pink pimento seed help to tenderize your pork. Alright, it's really good. Add some black pepper. Alright, and the star of the show, the Jamaican curry. Good. So we had some Jamaican curry. I have some chopped white onion over here. Let's add some to it with some garlic and scotch bonnet. Alright. Nice. Look at it. Alright. So we're gonna rub it in. Get a nasty boy. Wow. Rub it in nicely. Alright. You can add a little bit more curry to it. Good. Look at it. Our curry tastes nice, you know. As you can see, I don't add any salt because most of these seasons have a salt in it. Alright? Alright, so we're going to leave that to marinate for about 2 hours. Normally we season it up and leave it for the overnight. And then in the morning you just basically cook it. But we're going to leave this for 2 hours because we're cooking this today. Alright? So stay tuned. Alright, so welcome back. As you can see, our pork was marinating for the last 2.5 hours, yeah? So here we have our pot heated. We're going to add a little bit of cooking oil to it. About that much. A little bit of cooking oil. And then we're going to add some chopped onion. White and green. Then a little bit of saute. Alright? And we're going to add some curry. About another half teaspoon curry to it. Right? Good. We'll kind of saute it a little bit. Make sure that your curry get that nice little brownish look. You're not burning, what you say, burning the seasoning. You're just trying to get the curry to get that little brown look. Alright? A lot of people, when you tell them burn the curry, they just like, they just wait till the curry get black. No, as you can see, but you can get in that nice little brown look. Alright? The reason why we do that, it avoids you from, a lot of people get, when they eat curry, they get belly ache. Because the curry never properly cooked. So it causes to give you a belly ache. Alright, so you can start dropping the meats them one now. You can see I did empty out the container with the meat in there. I place them in one at a time because the residue, the season from the container, we're going to use it separately. Alright? see. And saute our meat nicely. So when you do your meat like this, like saute it like for 2 to 3 minutes before you put any water in there. The meat basically hold the firmness and also the curry, the curry look come out better. You understand? Because like when you just put in your meat and you put the water and everything on it, it causes the curry to get white, cause the meat to get whitish. You don't want your meat white, so you're cooking curry. So it must look like curry. You're not supposed to look like curry water, like curry mixed up with something. It's supposed to look like curry. You understand? And a lot of people miss the drip when they're doing curry. They kind of just throwing the meat one time in the pot and just put it on to cook, and then you wonder how your curry looks so white. You see me? You have to put more curry in the pot afterwards. So, I'm going to put down that, cover it for the next 5 minutes, and then we can basically put in water inside of it, right? So after 5 minutes, you can see our pork look. Yeah? You saw the curry look on the pork now? This is how we want our curry to look. It's supposed to look like curry pork, not white pork. Curry pork is supposed to look like. So that's the importance of kind of saute your pork before you add any water. Now you're going to add about half cup of water gradually. You don't have to put in everything one time. So you're pouring a little bit there first. And we're going to put this on medium heat. Allow this to nicely cook down. Alright, so we're adding the water gradually. Good. So we're going to allow this to cook down on medium heat. So this is our pork look after the first 20 minutes. Remember we add a half cup of water to it. So over here we have our seasoning that from the season that we season up the pork. So I add some thyme to it. Alright, and a little piece of scotch bonnet. And we gradually put in our season, and also another half cup of water. Alright, so we're going to pour that on our pork nicely. Good. Look at it. Right? And we're going to allow that to cook down for another 20 minutes on low heat. Medium heat, not low heat, medium heat, because you know the pork is not chicken, it's more easier to cook, it takes longer to cook. Alright, so allow it to cook down for about 20 more minutes between medium heat and low heat. Alright, so after 20 minutes, take a look at our curry, our pork. Yeah, as you can see, you know when your pork cut based on how it feels. Eh? Alright, we're gonna add some Irish potatoes, some carrot, and a little piece more white onion to our pot, yeah, to flavor it up. And this the white Irish kind of give it more body to the food. Alright, so you just add that to it, because the pork is probably look like about 60%, 70% cooked. Just add a little bit more water back to it and leave it down to cook. Alright, so let's take a look at our pork. Our pork is ready to go. Look at how beautiful it is, man. Yeah, man. The real way how to cook Jamaican pork, you know? Curry pork. Ready to go. So let's share. Alright, there you have it. Our Jamaican curry pork. Look at how nice it is, man. Yummy. My word. I hope you guys enjoy this cooking show. I Hope you guys go ahead and try this recipe because it's nice. Yeah? Jamaican curry pork. Enjoy the rest of the day, guys. I'm out. My word. Whoa.
Hey, don't do it.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings.